This is 8 reasons why you shouldn't buy a Tesla. You're never going to be able to get anything done because you're going to be spending too much time playing all the fun little games that come with your car. Another thing you'll miss out on by owning a Tesla is getting that sweet road rage TikTok. Because anytime somebody starts driving stupid around you, you just floor it and leave them in the dust. Who would want a car that's potentially smarter than them? Plus there's a little camera watching you. And look, they even have HAL 9000 installed. I don't know about you, but that's kind of spooky. These cars require way too much maintenance. Who would want to own a car that requires me to rotate my tires and keep them full of air, fill my washer fluid, and change my wiper blades? That's just too much work. I don't think anyone should have to do that on their car. No AM radio? What kind of car doesn't have AM radio? I want to hear the wonderful sounds of static and the pops and clicks and all the noise. I don't want to have to stream my AM radio that hardly anyone listens to. The Tesla doesn't have a tailpipe, as you can see. So, how are you going to have a car that stinks and smokes real bad and sounds really obnoxious when you think you're cool and you rev your engine to race somebody? So, you have a passenger with you, and they notice your wireless charger and ask about it, and then they plop their phone on down in your charging spot. Well, man, you just lost a foot of range because of your passenger. Who would want a car that costs you range just because somebody wants to set their phone down? So you've had a long day, and you get in your car and you want to just smoke a whole pack of cigarettes and stink your car up real bad. Well, the car doesn't come with an ashtray or a cigarette lighter. What are you going to do with that? I don't know about you, but if I wanted to make my car stink really bad like cigarette smoke, I probably wouldn't buy a Tesla. Well, if you made it this far somehow, happy April Fool's Day. Hopefully it's pretty obvious this is sarcasm and joke. There's probably some minor valid points being made in this video, but yeah, it's just mostly a joke, picking on some of the stupid stuff I see about Teslas. So either way, thanks for watching.